Unboxing a cot is never just unboxing a cot. It's one of those lovely little moments where it all starts to feel real. Meet the new Stokke Nighti crib. Inside, every piece is carefully packed, ready to become a beautiful centerpiece for your nursery. From the clean, considered design to those final finishing touches, everything feels unmistakably Stokke. As it comes together, you can really appreciate its calm, contemporary look. Made to sit beautifully in the home and create a comforting space for the newest member of the family. The Nighti crib is more than a place to sleep. It's where quiet nights, early mornings, and so many first memories begin. This is the new Stokke Nighti crib, thoughtfully made for their first nights and all the beautiful days around them.